My name is Nicola Banchi. I'm a senior product manager for Centrifugal and axial compressor. I'm in Nuova Opinione General Electric since 1989, and I'm following several programs like as HPRC, wet gas, sour and acid material, etc. Today, I would like, first of all, to thank to you for the invitation.
Thank you.
And all of you to be here. So, I'd like to share with you a solution that we can apply to the centrifugal compressor that can allow the possibility to reduce the skid of the motor and turbo compressor. Therefore, the main benefit, reducing the space and therefore the weight, is for the offshore application. So, the solution regards a new technology that we called HPLC technology. That means high pressure ratio compression technology that we apply to the centrifugal compressors. So this is a different or an alternative architecture of the compressor that can allow to increase the pressure ratio. That means if we increase the pressure ratio on a centrifugal compressor, we can reduce the number of impellers. If we reduce the number of impellers, what we can do? We can reduce the number of compressor casings. So, the main benefit with this type of new architecture allow us a benefit on the overall skid where we install the compressors. In particular, if we reduce the number of compressor body to 2 to 1, we have obviously a smaller area where we have to install the compressor skid. And we can arrive up to 50% of reduction in terms of footprint installing the HPRC compressor versus the conventional one. Of course, this is an additional solution that we have added on our portfolio in order to allow customer to choose what can be the best one solution case by case. It's not replicate the conventional, but is an additional one. Of course, if we reduce the skid, we reduce the weight. And like as we will see later on, we can arrive up to a saving of 30% in terms of weight on the overall skid. Thanks to this different type of architecture, and later I'll show you what are the main difference versus the conventional one, we can have also a benefit in terms of absorbed power. And we can have a reduction as overall power, absorbed power, up to 5%. It depends on the configuration, because as you know, like me, we have a lot of possibility to design a plant, especially when we talk about centrifugal compressors. Obviously, another important benefit that we can have when we reduce the skid, the number of compressor body, and therefore the skid, we simplify the installation. This is normal. Another important point regards the maintenance, because if you do a maintenance on two casings or on one casing, you have a different in terms of cost, in terms of downtime,